How to remove audio from video in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove audio from a video in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva. You can open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. And after you've done that, you can then simply open up any project that you're working on or you can import a video to a blank canvas. After doing that, you can start with the editing of your video. I'll just make this so it fits the frame. And after you're here, make sure that you've selected the video first. After you've selected the video, on the top bar, you'll find the volume option. So you'll see audio tools as well and the volume option. If you simply tap on it, you can decrease this to 0, making it completely audioless. And that's how you can make or remove videos audio in Canva. And it's that simple. And that's all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos as well. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.